can see it's a beautiful night. The moon is out, there's plenty stars as well. But the ground here is ugly. I'm in the Alps in Trelawney, a part of the cockpit country. As you can see behind me, fallen trees remain. On both sides of the road, motorists have to be driving in a zigzag. I'm coming from an area called Ulcer Spring in Trelawney, and that's where we'll be starting this special edition of Lead Story Prime, Memories of Melissa. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
Many of the reports so far have been in the daylight, but our team wanted to get a feel of what it's like for the people here in the night, after the damage, destruction and deaths Melissa heaped. Kyle Malcolm was laughing the loudest when we saw him, but we quickly learned that was a facade.
You never can feel no pain, I can't feel no rain, I can't feel no wet, I can't feel nothing. More I know say I have a lot once a lifetime, I can't feel nothing, uncle. Nothing you can't feel about it numb. You never care what fruit tree drop down or what. Just know say I want lifetime.
He's talking here about his 2-year-old daughter. Melissa took her.
He said, oh, it's come now. You see, we call him at the same time, lick the nail part. I say, nail, and I like nail him bend under his head. So the nail part lick at the head back. And that's pushing me. Yeah. So I think I breathe and push him till he starts to blood. Then I see, you know what I mean? You see blood up on the top of it. On the nail. Now what you do after that? Over for 3 days, 2 days, the road fix up. Yeah, help clear road just to before I can hospital. But he late same me, but still have to help same me.
She wasn't the only one he lost in Melissa.
Where her mother dead? West. Mother dead too.
What?
West.
Your mother dead where?
Your mother dead too, West.
In the hurricane?
Exactly. Because both of us, you know, in a year about West, man.
So you lose both your daughter and the mother?
They want to talk about you, I swear. You really don't remember. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm not free of mind. You know what I mean? Free of mind.
How you hear how she died?
You all see, I see me, must say about us. The board, you fly with the board them too. Fly with the board them.
It was difficult to digest.
Oh, you can manage. Oh, you manage. Oh, you manage.
So sticky question, no, cause no God will provide still, but just sticky question, because you know when you're out of doubt, you have to keep yourself happy, you keep your heart pure, make a blessing come in. You understand? That is it. You want to know nothing negative, that's what I'm saying. You see, you come to me a laugh. Yeah, and just come now, I start happy. They want to feel them type of way, the uncle.
He's still processing, trying with every fiber in him to be positive.
Live, love, and laugh. Why eat? You understand? Just keep going, because you know it's a natural disaster, so you have to just focus. And just rebuild again, restart and rebuild again.